Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Seek for Beauty. My name is Martha and in today's video we'll see something a little bit different. It's not a makeup, it's not a product review or skincare, but today this video is for a big IKEA haul. I'm very happy because I live in Greece and until recently we were in a lockdown mode because of the coronavirus, so everything was closed. And it's been a week now that the stores and the malls are open again, so I thought I should run to the IKEA and get everything that I wanted. I thought sharing with you would be fun. Now, before showing you what I got from IKEA, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can see all the new uploads every week. And without further ado, let's go straight into the bags. So have a coffee, have a water, have a wine, whatever you want. This video is going to be not so short. First, I'm going to start with the coffee mugs that I love. I got these two wonderful colors. This is a gray and this is kind of something between blue and green. I love this color. We have 2 cups for our cappuccino morning coffee. Then I got this set of 3 artificial plants. I love them. They're small, they're so cute, and I got them especially for the background at my office where I do all the makeup tutorials. I love these ones. Every time I go to IKEA, there's not a chance I leave without taking my favorite candles. I'm talking about these babies right here. It smells fantastic. It's the vanilla ice cream, I think it's called. It lasts for 25 hours. This is my favorite. If you haven't tried them, you should definitely get this today. The best candle ever, trust me. So I got these 2. I also got some silverware. I have a set of 6 spoons and also a set of knives. Great black handle. What I also got, and I love this one, this is a cup base. There are 2 in this set. If you're like me and you always want to have your cup, your office, I cannot open it. It's like this. If you can see the picture, there's the mug and then there's this base. I also got this thermos bottle. It was the only available size and color they had in IKEA, so I got this one. It's a lovely nude color. I got a timer for my kitchen in a black color. They also had white, but I thought the black one is more cute, and I don't know, they have 3 buttons, one for the minutes, one for seconds, and then there's a button to start or stop your timer. We also got one stand for the phone. You have this place right here where you're supposed to put your phone and it will stand. So you can have it at your desk and watch something. Okay, why not? I also got this one. I'm very happy for this purchase because I always wanted something like that. It's a lid. It's kind of universal for all the... If you have any pan or any big pot that you don't have any lid. For example, I had a big wok where I got from IKEA, but they didn't have a lid for that one. So today I was looking for something and I found this one. They have 3 sizes. I got the large one. And it says that it's safe for dishwasher, it's safe to use in the oven. I'm not planning to put this one in the oven, but I will only keep it as long as I'm cooking, so not any oils or water or anything drop out of my pan. So it's like this. It's very flexible and you have your lid and you close it and everything is fine. I also got this one. I love this one. Is when you wash some, let's say you have a bottle and you cannot reach to wash this one, you use this brush right here. It's great for bottles. It's great for if you have a pan or a pot and you want to clean it. It's a great thing to do because you don't want to mess with your nails. You don't want to break your nails. So use this one instead, okay? I also got this set of funnels, if I say it right. This is for when, for example, you want to transfer some liquid from a big bottle to another one. Let's say you have oil and you want to transfer the oil without spilling any of the liquid out. So you take this one. It's a very great item to have in your kitchen. Then I also got this, I believe they are called globes. This is something to cover the light on the ceiling. So I will call it globe. It's a white kind of cream color. So I have opened one to show you how it looks like. So you extend it and it's like this. It's a big globe. I also got a doormat because I realized I didn't have any. It's a plain, very simple gray doormat. They didn't have a big variety, so they had like this gray one and then 3 to 4 more different kind of doormats. So I got this simple one. Then I also got some kitchenware. I got these 2 large bowls. I think I would use them for salad. They were very cheap. And I also got a set from the classics that they have in the IKEA. It's the set with the 18 items. I got this light gray color. They have 6 plates for your lunch, 6 smaller plates for fruit or dessert, and they have also 6 more deep plates like bowls, if you can see in the middle. Okay, so they always have this kind of sets in different colors. I thought that this is more neutral, so I got the light gray one. I really like this one. Then I also got some glasses that they have simple glasses for water, for juice. They sell these ones by items, so you can take as many as you want. I got 6, so I can have kind of a set. They're pretty cheap actually. And I also got another set that I like most because the first one is very plain and very basic. I think I will use it only for water. So I also got these ones. They come in a set of 6. And I love this one for cold beverages, for a smoothie, because it's pretty large and you can have a big amount of what you're drinking. Either this is a soda or a smoothie. For me, I drink cold coffee here. I love this one. So the packaging is like this. And then I also got some stuff for the living room and something for decoration on the couch. I wanted to get a bigger pillow for the back of the couch because there's a space that it's kind of blank and you see the wall. So I got and it's called Valentuna. So this is only the filling and it was in euros because I live in Greece. It was 10 euros and with the pillowcase together it was all a set 25 euros. So it's very cheap for what you get. It's a very good price. So I got this one and I will show you right now the cover of the pillow. It's this one right here. This is the color. It's kind of a beige nude gray color. I really like it. Once I have the couch the way I like it, I will show you how it looks. I think it will be great. So I got this one too. And then I have a couple more pillows for the couch, but I want to be as decorative pillows. So I opened one to see how it looks. This is how you get it from IKEA. This is a 50 to 50 centimeters and in inches it's 20 to 20. It was very cheap. It was about $3-4, let's say. So this is how you get it in this packaging, and I opened one to see if it's okay and if it's the way I thought it was. And this is the size. Once you take it out of this packaging, it comes straight to this size. And for these pillows, I also got some covers. These two covers. It's a beige cream color with gold spots. I thought this would be very cute. I'm very curious to see how this will look on my couch when I finish decorating. Then of course I got more candles, because you never leave out of IKEA without getting any candles. So I got this packaging with 100 items. I love them. They're without any scent, simple white tea lights. Then I also got some batteries. It's 2 AA batteries because you always need them. So anytime I go to IKEA, I grab a pack of batteries. Then I also wanted to take some baskets, some organization baskets for a white furniture that I have. And I could never find the correct dimensions that I wanted for the baskets that I wanted to put in a specific furniture. So the furniture is white, and I wanted to get something in beige or light brown or gray, and I found these baskets right here. In euros, they were €5 each. I got 3 just to see if they will look fine in the furniture, and I opened one to see how it looks. So I will open this one for you. This is folded, and you just unfold. It's not super stable and solid, but it also will not collapse. So if you fill this one and put stuff inside, pretty much it will stay like this. So this is how it looks. Two of the sides also have a handle. I think it's nice. I think it will look good in the white furniture. I also got a white waste bin for my office. I like to keep this under my desk to throw any paper or anything that I don't like. Pretty nice. It was very cheap. I also got this one. We usually decorate the dining tables with these ones, but I want to put this one in the coffee table that I have in my living room. I think it will be very nice. Okay, it's this long one. It's a light gray to beige color, and I really like it. It's a very neutral. I love this kind of colors in the living room and in general in my whole house. I wanted to get the beige one, but it was out of stock, so I grabbed immediately the next color that I found that was the lightest one. And what I also got, we got some hangers, because who doesn't want some extra hangers in the closet? In this pack you get 10. Then I also got this body right here. This is very helpful to wear your shoes. This is a lifesaver, especially for us girls who have nails and you don't want to squeeze them or break them when you wear your shoe. So you use this body right here and your life is simple again. Then we also got a LED lamp. I'm not sure where we will use this one, but it's a lamp. Okay, we'll use it somewhere. Then I also got a duvet set for our bedroom. This one is a full set of 3 items. The dimensions are in centimeters, 240 to 220, and you also have 2 pillowcases. These are the dimensions, and this is the pattern. It's very nice, actually. It's pretty neutral, like the colors that I always like to have in my house and in my bed as well. So this is with beige and cream tones. This is the picture when you have the whole set. It's pretty nice actually. In euros, this was about or 20 or 25 euros, something like that. Then I also got some large pillows for the background of my bed because I want to have it decorated, and I want to have the big pillows that I always see. I always see some big pillows in the background of your bed, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and I got these pillows. I will open one right now to see the full size. This one in centimeters is 65 to 65 and in inches is 26 to 26. So the minute you open this one, it will expand. Okay. And this is the full size. It's a big one. I like it. So this is the pillow, and I also got pillowcases, covers for these two. I got them in white color because this was the lightest color that I could find. I wanted something in beige or cream or gray. This is the cover. Oh, it's very nice actually. I really love the material. It's very soft. I don't know if you can understand. It's white, so it's white. It's very soft. It's kind of a furry and fluffy. Not so much, but it's very nice. I think it will look very beautiful in the background of the bed. And then I also got some shelves. This is the classic IKEA shelf. It's the one with the hidden screws, or I don't know how you call them, but it's the one that you put on the wall and you see only the shelf without any corners or anything else. So I got the dark brown color. I got two of them because it's the same color that my bed has. And I thought that I would put one on each side of the bed so we can leave our phones or anything we want at night instead of a table that would take so much space. So I will put these two and we'll see how this goes. I think they will be pretty nice over there. They also have a good discount in the same shelf but in the medium size. So it's exactly the same but in a larger size. This shelf, if you don't know, comes in two shades, the white and the dark brown, and has 3 available sizes. The small, like the one that I showed you, this one. This is the medium one. I'm not sure where we will put them yet, but we'll see. They also have a larger size, but I'm okay with these two. Okay, that's all. I showed you everything that I got from IKEA. Let me know if you like this IKEA haul and you want to see more. So I keep uploading this type of videos and I can't wait to see how the decoration in my house will go and in the bedroom. Maybe I will share another video with the final decoration. If this is something that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see my new uploads every week. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.